To CSONS at Home Mother's Day. Let's go.
To all the mums out there. Yeah!
Okay. So we've gone down a fairly kind of classical route this week. So we'll start with some delicious McNeil smoked salmon. Then we're going to make like a remoulade with some celeriac and apple, and there's some garlic and parsley and some onion in there. And then we've got like a mustard mayo with loads of gherkins going in, so we'll mix them together. We've got some nice sourdough bread that we've made here. We've got some nice never-end butter. Well, these aren't Shropshire microgreens, but hopefully they will be for Mother's Day. And just a wedge of lemon. So I think the first thing is going to be just to warm our bread through. Not really trying to toast it, just give it a little bit of warmth. Pop them in. Next thing, we'll mix our celeriac and apple remoulade up. So we take our mix of celeriac and apple, all the other good stuff. And just fold our mayo through it. Coated. Give it a little taste. Delicious. Okay, so I think it's pretty much time to plate up. Split that bag down. Make it easier to get the salmon out. And try and do a nice mound of the slaw. Remoulade. Okay. And then you guys are going to have slightly thicker salmon than this, but that's just how we got it today. Something like that. And our bread should be nicely warmed through now. So we'll just pop them on the side like that. Gonna cut our butter in half. Something like that. Serve a bit of that on the side. And our little micro herb sort of salad. Obviously yours is going to be a bit different than this with the actual Shropshire micro herbs, but just to give you an idea. You've got a nice lemon wedge. And then if you've got it, just a little something on the salad just to dress that. A little drizzle.